crazy, yo.
So y'all see what we doing, man. We got a little video for y'all today, man. I got my man Charger 17 here, and then I got Elvis Car Reviews here. They both brought their cars out today. So y'all see JELLYCAT here, y'all see SCATPACK, Charger 17 here, and then y'all see the RS5 right here. So we got a nice little area. Actually, Elvis found this little spot, man. It's got a nice background to it, so we pretty much found this little spot because the noise quality over here is pretty well. There's no wind noise over here, and we're gonna do an exhaust comparison, right? Yep. So exhaust comparison from the RS5 to the SCATPACK to the Hellcat. And I think probably the best way to do it probably be in the different modes too.
Yeah.
So eco mode, sport mode, you got dynamic, I got track, he got track as well. So we'll do those as well and see how those look. Who run it up first, man? I ain't gonna lie, I wanna hear this RS5. I wanna hear the pops.
SCATPACK versus RS5.
RS5.
And then the winner goes against the Hellcat.
True, that's cool.
So you gotta go first?
Yeah. Cool. I honestly don't think my exhaust is that loud though. I really don't.
Okay.
All right, y'all gonna have to tell us which exhaust sound louder to y'all. Damn, it looks so good. Look at that. Look at the tail lights on those joints. Yeah. Oh yeah, you can hear him as he's switching the modes. That's crazy. They sound good.
They got the flaps.
Oh yeah, the active flaps. Okay.
Which is eco.
Okay.
Comfort.
All right. So he comfort mode right now. Oh yeah, that's pretty quiet. Okay.
Then this is sport mode. Is the flap open?
I think so.
They did.
I think.
It looks like it.
No. Dynamic, okay. Oh my God, that just sounds crazy. Yo, that just sounds good, man. I like those pops, bro. Damn, yeah, I couldn't drive it up. I couldn't drive it in anything other than dynamic mode. I'm not even gonna lie. Damn, that just sounds good, bro. All right, SCATPACK up next.
Damn.
Oh, damn. He started up and that shit sound crazy.
Yeah, there's a company called Mods, the Russian company that makes crazy exhausts.
Yeah. That sounds expensive.
Yeah.
Yeah. What mode you in?
Auto mode.
Auto, okay. Damn.
It's already loud.
Yeah, it's already louder. Fuck.
Eco mode? Sure. That's all eco.
That's eco?
Look at the track. Sport mode? Yeah.
They all kind of sound the same.
Yeah. Alright.
Oh yeah, that one definitely.
Yeah.
That one right there. What mode was that last one? Track. Okay, yeah, track definitely sounded better.
Someone's radar detector.
I know, somebody radar detector. Probably was his when he turned his car out though.
Okay, so you can maybe move and have.
Yeah, I'm gonna switch out. I'm gonna switch out with you. Yeah.
Alright.
We're gonna bring the cat real quick. Honestly though, I think yours might be the loudest, bro. I don't know why. I think the way the exhaust setup, yours might be a little louder. That's just, yo, I like the way that joint sound, bro. Them little pops sound good.
I have that car popping all the time.
Yo, this should shoot flames if you go like catless back, right?
Yes, it does. It would, right? Yeah.
Sheesh.
Yo, that'd be crazy if you do that, bro.
Yeah, that would be. That definitely would be. All right, I'm gonna go grab the Hellcat real quick.
Hellcat. exhaust now. Damn. Yeah, it is louder.
Yeah.
It is louder, yeah.
Big time. It's track. It's fast on.
Track, okay. Okay. That thing is loud.
Yeah.
You have stock exhaust?
Stock exhaust, yeah.
Damn.
The only thing I got done to it is that intake. That's it.
Okay.
Just the intake, yeah.
The difference is the difference.
Damn, it do sound good though.
Yeah, it does.
In this little area. I can't wait to watch this footage and see how it sounds for myself. Yo, the best way I realized to add in my footage though is to put like headphones in, because
so
the clarity sounds crazy. Because usually I play with the volumes of the film,
Okay.
and I don't want the people who actually do wear headphones. Yeah. So yeah, nah, that sound good.
People actually even put like headphone warning.
Yep, headphone warnings. Yeah, for sure.
Definitely a headphone warning.
Yeah, because it was pretty loud.
All 3 vehicles was pretty
Yeah,
loud.
no, that joint loud. So you think the Hellcat was louder than the Scat?
Louder, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely.
I had to watch the
Yeah,
film.
that's good tell. Like just when you listen to it, just see.
Yeah.
It was louder.
Damn, there y'all go. So I know a lot of people kind of differentiate the Scat and obviously the Hellcat. I don't know, for some reason when I drove his car, it sounded like deeper to me. Yours sounds deeper. Mine might just be louder. Yeah, the SCATPACK sounds deeper for sure. But I ain't gonna lie though, like that overall tone though, that Audi, bro, it sounds good with the pops.
Yeah, the Audi, the turbo and the pops.
Yeah, that joint sound crazy.
I mean, it's a muscle versus a tuner, so.
Yeah. All right, so we get into the breakdown of like the cost and stuff and everything.
Yeah.
All right. So there y'all go, man. Y'all got the quick exhaust video from the 3 cars. So y'all got a pretty much a little bit of difference between the Scat, Hellcat, and the RS7. So I know we don't got too many probably Audi fans on the channel, but if y'all do like the Audi content, make sure y'all head over to Elvis Car Reviews for the Audi content. For the SCATPACK content, make sure y'all head over to my guy, Charger 17 3.0. It's right here, just so y'all can't miss it. Boom, make sure y'all go over there, check him out on the SCATPACK content. But there y'all go, man. There's the exhaust video for y'all for all 3. This area was just great for our sound quality, so that's why we picked this little area real quick for the exhaust video. But right now we about to do a quick breakdown on pretty much what you get for these cars. You got the Audi that's at 80K, you got the Hellcat that's at 80K, and then you got a SCATPACK that's at pretty much 40 to 50K depending on option. So me and his car pretty much cost the same. If y'all watch my last Audi RS5 versus the Hellcat video, then y'all know pretty much me and him, our car builds are neck and neck, pretty much 80 grand, and there's a nice little difference between the two on what you get. So y'all stay safe, stay motivated, stay positive, man. I'm gonna see y'all next video. Peace.